Why meal prep supports weight loss?
Meal prepping helps you stay consistent with your nutrition by controlling portions and calories. By planning meals ahead, you're less likely to make impulsive food choices. For those with active lifestyles, prepping balanced meals ensures your body gets the nutrients it needs to recover from workouts and maintain energy throughout the day.
Key components of a fitness-focused meal.
A fitness-friendly meal usually includes lean protein, such as chicken, turkey, fish, or plant-based options to support muscle repair. Add whole grains like brown rice or quinoa for sustained energy. Include plenty of vegetables for vitamins and fiber. Healthy fats, such as olive oil or avocado, round out the nutritional profile, helping you stay satisfied.
Sample meal prep recipes.
Try grilled chicken breast with roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli for a balanced, calorie-controlled meal. Or make a quinoa and black bean salad with colorful veggies and a squeeze of lime. For snacks, pack Greek yogurt and berries or portioned servings of nuts. These options are quick to prepare and easy to store.
Time-saving meal prep tips.
Set aside a couple of hours once or twice a week to cook and portion out meals. Use airtight containers for freshness and label them with dates. Batch cook proteins, grains, and veggies separately to mix up combinations through the week. Simple spice blends can add variety without extra calories or effort.
Staying motivated with meal prep.
Meal prepping not only saves time and supports weight loss, but also removes daily stress around food choices. Celebrate small successes, like sticking to your prep schedule or trying new recipes. Remember, consistency is key. With a bit of planning, healthy eating becomes a convenient part of your fitness journey.